And this is the steam cleaning, and I'm going to show you how the carpet cleaning and the footage is being done. So, like this, you can see here, the steam is 25 degrees, and 115 psi, and it's very dry steam. You can see it just disappears, and it's just like smoke, but it's so dry of steam, it doesn't get the carpet wet. I got my hand on here. Let me see my hand so back. Nothing there. And it's just blast everything up with all the smell on the carpet. It kills everything. So there's no chance of any odors or anything like that. And it goes right down to the bottom of the carpet. There's nothing to survive it. Really quick, you can see what it looks like when it's kind of finished. Let me borrow this from you. Yesenia is actually doing the work here, and I'm just going to show what what it's going to look like when it's done. So I'm just going to basically press the carpet back up again to get rid of the stripes that are in it. It just loosens up the carpet. It basically stands the carpet right back up again. So this is what it looks like if matted down when you first do it, and then you basically press off the carpet by going against the grain, and then use a brush on it to one last treatment on it. And then the carpet looks, basically all stood up, the piles all lifted again, and you don't have this matted down. But you can see this thing goes right down to the base of the carpet. It removes any kind of stains. So here's some marks here. This is under the seat. This is a halo of dust that's gotten there or whatever got on the seat here. And now we're just going to get this off. So you can see this is no detergent at all. It just cleans the carpet right down. So that dirt line that's right here is now erased. So it gets rid of pretty much anything. Let's do another spot over here. It's gonna get so hot, it's hard to hold on to. So you can see on this, we're going to try getting this little smudges off of here. This plastic, usually we put a little degreaser on it first. We just don't do that on the carpet because we don't want any soap residue that attracts dirt again. So let me just clean this off. It just has a little bit of some kind of marks on here. And then you can see how the spot gets clean right here. So here's the dirty spot. See how it's cleaning? You see the clean line that it leaves behind? So we just go back and forth like this until we get it all clean. And again, it gets rid of any odors. Just leaves the carpet like brand new again. You see this look. It's just like crazy brand new. This is a light carpet. If it's gonna have any issues, you're gonna see it. And again, even like this kind of halo kind of problem that was here is out of the carpet. We have this little dust halo from whatever in the interior of the car, and it just gets rid of that. And again, here's a nice area that's all clean. This is in really good shape, this carpet to begin with. We're not really having to get rid of some heavy soiling, but we're doing really, really good with this one. Thanks for watching.